Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Becca's Easy Eats. This is your simple home cook in training. Today, we are making the classic Shandong roast chicken.
Hello my dear friends, I am Becca, and I am happy to have you in my kitchen.
Screenshot this recipe or copy from the description section below.
Before we start, do you know that Shandong roast chicken did not originate from Shandong province in China? And the dish is not roasted but instead pan-fried then steamed. The main aromatic for this dish is dried Sichuan peppercorns. Using this generously will not make the dish spicy. Now on with the cooking.
First, prepare the chicken marinade using soy sauce and Shaoxing wine. Brush on both sides of the chicken and leave to marinate for at least 1 hour. Pan-fry the chicken in oil for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until dark brown. Set aside to cool completely.
If you enjoy my video, don't forget to hit the like button and share with all your friends. Subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on.
Slice the ginger and cut the green onion. With the chicken skin side down, sprinkle the dried Sichuan pepper, top with ginger slices and green onions. Steam for 20 to 30 minutes until chicken is fully cooked. Once cooked, remove ginger slices, green onion and Sichuan pepper. Strain the juice onto a bowl. Add sugar, soy sauce, vinegar and sesame oil. You can also add minced garlic into the sauce. Pound and roughly cut cucumber into 2-inch pieces. Place cucumber on the serving dish. Top with sliced chicken pieces. Drizzle generously with the sauce. Garnish with cilantro.
This dish is best served in room temperature as a cold appetizer. Make some this weekend for your family and friends. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking!